Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can automatically turn auto blocker back on after you turn it off? This helps keep your phone secure even if you temporarily disable the protection. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Then tap Auto Blocker. Next, find the option Turn on automatically and then turn this option on. When this option is on, whenever you turn off auto blocker, your phone will automatically turn it back on after 30 minutes. This is useful if you only need to disable it temporarily, for example, when installing apps from external sources, and to make sure you don't forget to turn it back on later. And that's how you automatically turn auto blocker back on for better security on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.